Welcome. Today we are going to show you how to make the easiest and best brownies.
Brownies are a classic dessert, and now you have a recipe you can impress your friends with.
To follow along, the recipe is linked below.
To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease an 8x-inch baking dish with butter. Pro tip, putting parchment paper on the bottom will allow the brownies to come out of the pan even easier.
In a medium-sized pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Make sure to not stop mixing it or it will burn.
You will then remove the pot from the heat and pour in both of your sugars and the melted butter into your mixer for about 1 to 2 minutes until smooth and creamy. Make sure you're using the whisk attachment.
One at a time, add in the eggs and egg yolk, making sure it is mixed well between each egg. Then add the cocoa powder and flour, then mix until combined. We can now add in our chocolate chips. There is more you can add in them than chocolate chips. You could add peanut butter, marshmallows, or anything else you like.
Pour the mixture into the greased baking pan and bake for 33 to 39 minutes if you like them a bit underdone, or 40 to 45 minutes if you want them baked through.
To check if the brownies are done, insert a toothpick in the center of the brownies. If any batter comes up, they aren't done, but if nothing but a few crumbs come up, you are good to go.
After the brownies are done cooking, make sure to leave them to cool for 20 to 30 minutes.
You should wait to cut the brownies because if you do it too soon, they'll break easily while cutting and will fall apart.